Okay, I think we're live. Good morning. Well, I'm a little bit later than usual, but that's okay. I used to start streaming at 9:15, so it's actually just perfect timing, I guess. I don't know. I had to restart my computer this morning because I've been having problems with my, like, what's it called? Like my taskbar. Having problems with my taskbar freezing on me. Um, I have the TradingView chart set up on the side, the right side right now. As always, or at least as we've been doing recently, it's been pretty good. The 2 minute looks very similar to this, so really cool, really clean setup here. I really like the price action this morning. We did have that break, so maybe look for a new uptrend, but I'm still kind of bearish. I'd like to see this move down. I think that'd be great. We are starting pretty fresh. We've only got $1,000 in the account, so that is something. Is there anything else here? And then I've also got the computer audio off too. So I was playing some stuff on the computer the other day, and it was just so loud. I didn't realize. So my video from Friday is just terrible. But yeah, so I mean that's pretty much it. That's what we're looking for. We can take a look at the news in the 1 minute here. Not the 1 minute, but the daily. So let's take a look at the daily. Starting my day off looking at the daily too has been like huge for me. It's been so instrumental. It's been super good. I don't know the word. Incremental? It's not incremental. It's been very good for me. Pretty boring. Probably gonna be pretty boring. I don't know how long I'm gonna be on. I got a really busy day today. I'm trying to go to work early. I was gonna go a bit into like my financial situation and when maybe I'd start to take it funded. But I don't know. It doesn't really matter. I don't really feel like talking about it right now. Too tired, kind of. And it's not really about the finance. It's not really about the finances. It's more about the trading. You know, to be honest. So we're not getting pushed up. We got a huge red bar going all the way down. So we might see, we're gonna see a huge gap down on this chart. Price is gonna open down here. You might see it gap up. And this is the 15-minute we were looking at a lot on Friday too. So we never quite broke through there. We finally ended up breaking through here. Could have went short there. Maybe I should be a swing trader eventually, because my swing trading calls have been plays, I guess. Been really good. Hold on. I'm gonna mute real fast. Can't breathe. Okay, that's a little bit better. Alright, but let's move that. Let's bring this back over That's what we're looking at. Um, huh. So I'm listening to some stuff as well. They're talking about the VIX. I have a friend of mine tell me about the VIX. Apparently people are super short. Um, any news? There's no news. Next news is at 10 new home sales. What? No news coming out. It is January 27th at 9:23 a.m. But yeah, I think I'm just looking for time to get short or long. Um, I've really been liking the high-low too, these high-low bars. I haven't really been using them. I don't really need to switch to the bar to see them. But the more I've been watching a chart, the more I've been liking it. You'd really look for like a long here. Because you've been getting stuck in these channels for forever. And it's really been messing me up. It's because I'll be going for a short or a long and it bounces off the channel instead of breaking through. So, if we look for something like that, and like this is the current flag setup like that, but not super impressed by it. I like more of stuff like that, like seeing that balance, like really using this MA has been so good. So let's see. I'm gonna try not taking too many trades. Really gonna try trading like it's a real account. So let's see. Yep, and then so we got like 3 more minutes until the market opens. Looks like it could go short here before it opens. Maybe I should just go short. No, it's 3 minutes. It's gonna be a really interesting day in the market. I'm gonna talk to my one of our financial advisors about the implied volatility in the market and see what he thinks. What are we gonna do? We got 15 seconds. It's gonna open. Huge gap to the upside. I mean, it's gonna open here, but on the Nasdaq, it's gonna open with a huge gap to the upside. There's our imaginary line right there. Do you kind of want to go long? I can't see it on the actual. There we go. Now I see it. Takes a while for it to load on the NDX for some reason. Or I'm just not good at finding it. I've made my entry super late to go long now. Okay, I'm out. That was good. Just a quick scalp. We broke above there, which I like a lot. Perfect, $1,200. Holy shit, it's just going straight up. That's insane. It's all less than a minute. That is crazy. what's it called? So, I've talked about this a few different times. I watch other people while I'm watching. It's always good to see that they do very similar stuff to me. I want to short this. And then move back down. Boom. 1800. I was waiting for that. It's either going to move back down or do that. With the volatility, I don't know what it means. Literally don't know what it means. But, I mean, I'll just shout him out. Like Patrick Whelan, he's only up $600. So he only did the one trade. He got long and then stopped out here. Or maybe he got long here and then got out up here. But, very, very same exact thing. I took 3 trades. He took 1, though, so far. But that's all you need. Like, literally, I can just be done on the day now. I'm up 1800. There's really no reason for me to continue to trade. And I might just do that. It might just be a good day to walk away. We'll see how the market plays out a little bit more. I'm so sore. I'm more sore than I've ever been. In fact, for me, it's been more difficult to stick with one line. This is what I'm seeing right now, okay? This is, I think, the actual setup we should go with. We might look for another move up, but we're going to look for this break here. That's the only line that we're going to look to break, is that one. So we're looking for pullback here, this break. Preferably if we can get a close of this 2-minute candle above here or above here. We could go long to like up here, and even once we pass through there, up here. So maybe I go with one more long, but I'm going to be really patient about it. So here's the actual index over here. For a break above there. Yeah. But I'm not going to be looking at a million different things. I've got too many lines on here. I'm drawing lines up, down, upside down, left, right, horizontal, vertical. It's confusing me. And then I'm getting breaks of them. Some of them are good, and I don't take it because it's like don't even realize I'm looking at a bunch of different stuff. It's all happening so fast. I mean, watching it back to me, I didn't realize how slow it is. Too. I mean, it's literally like these are 2-minute candles, so it's literally 2 minutes. But sometimes it's so fast. This all happened in 1 minute. This giant thing. I mean, it happened in 2 minutes, but yeah. And there's the break above there, too. So yeah, and I've been liking that more too. Just looking at the recent high and low, going into the market open, and waiting for a break of it. It doesn't have to be super complicated. See, there's the recent high. I would consider this the recent low, because this is kind of like the price action it was going into the open, and not this. This would be low, because this is lower than that. So like this is the next low. So you'd look for this break, or this break. Sometimes it can be kind of hard to tell. I'm not looking for like a major swing high. We might be getting a break here. Hold on here. I'm not long yet. I'm adjusting the line a little bit. I think really connecting the line to those wicks is like the most important thing. Like something like this is what I've noticed. See how those wicks, I don't know if you can even see it on stream, but those wicks, there's the top wick and that next wick's slightly below. Line up your angle with those wicks. It didn't really work this time though. Look at that chop. Could be like a bear flag here. Not a bear flag, a bull flag. Could be a bull flag again. I'm going to confirm this buy. We should be able to get filled. I really don't want to take a loss. It's much better just walk away. Alright, I was going to move to stop to break even. We're up 2,400. Patrick Whelan's aiming for the 300s. If we get a close above here, I think that would be positive. One more? That's positive. Ah, I should have gotten sooner. Might pull back. The biggest, the largest. I don't really feel like trading anymore. I really just don't want to lose. I don't want to take a loss. We're up 2,400. That's really good for the day. Yeah, there's a lot of volatility. We are hesitating there. I want to see it just break through. Where are we at on here? No, this should go to at least 90. Yeah, boom. Alright, now I'm done. I'm up $3,000. Haven't taken a losing trade. 5 trades, so I think that's really like the sweet spot for me, I think. Brought my win rate back up to 83. Like, what was it on this day? This was a rough one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. Yeah, I remember this was a rough one. That's pretty good, I think. I really want to see how we do in the long term. Like, really, I want this account to survive this week, next week, like maybe this week, maybe like a full month. Like, do a full month of trading on this account, like every single day, until I even think about going funded. I need the data. And I'll continue trying to get the recording quality better on this so that maybe we could see the screen a little bit better. Try to fully explain stuff. But yeah, at least it's something. At least we're live. You know, it's better than I was doing 2 months ago. Better than I was doing a month ago. It's still January, which is crazy. January's been the longest month. Yeah, and what I could do too, so something else I noticed here. It's cool, I didn't think about this. So you know I took 5 trades today? I could take all 5 of these trades on different accounts and different prop firms. So I take my first $600 trade, I take my next $600 trade, but I do it on, instead of just copy trading all through, do them each on an individual one, or maybe doing them at different prop firms. So I copy trade the first 600 on Top Step, I copy trade the next 600 on Apex, copy trade the next 600 on My Funded Futures or something. We had another setup here, so it could go long. This is how the setup played out on here. too. So I wanted to break above there, break above here. Once I saw this candle pop up, so this candle closed at the open of this 2-minute candle. We opened here and started to see that bullish action, and then I bought in. And I love days like this, up 3,000 in less than 15 minutes. It would have been great just to buy it open and hold it, but I think that doing it that way is the best way to manage your risk. And this one didn't work either. So this is the next previous high, just kind of consolidating around it. We gotta bounce off the MA. Could go long again. Break above here. Another long. See, I don't want to trade too much because it's not worth it. I think with prop firms, trading too much, even if it's profitable, is just not even worth it. Like TopStep doesn't do this, but I've talked about this before. Other prop firms, they require a 30% consistency target. So if I make 4 or 5,000, if I make 4,000 today, 5,000 today, it doesn't even matter because I gotta make 4 or 5,000 now each day after. It's better to make like 600, 1,000, 2,000 than to be making 5,000 a day because you're just putting yourself in an unreal, like a more difficult point to achieve. And that trade didn't work out, so it's a good thing I didn't take it. So yeah, I don't know. Just better to not take too many trades. Better to make like less money on the day. It's more about making money each day. But pretty good, pretty happy with being up to over 4,000. We're almost at that like the following drawdown. So once the following drawdown gets up to even, when this becomes 150, 150,000, then I can take a lot more loss, or I could take a lot more risk or something. This trade is starting to play out too, this one, which I was thinking it probably would. I didn't see anything really yet to cancel it out. I just don't like taking losses, big losses like that. Like I would have been in up here. I wouldn't draw down all of that. But yeah, the more money I make, the more drawdown I have too. So if I wanted to, I could, put my stop all the way down here or something. But shouldn't do that. I haven't been doing that. I've been going days, making tons of money, not doing that. I don't know why. I would suddenly start doing that. But it puts me in a better position to where if I did have a lost day of like 2,000 or 3,000, I can recover it. Yeah. And I think, like, what's it called? Helping people, or not helping people, watching people helps a lot. You gotta find good people, I think. Um, Helps psychologically. For a long time, it didn't, but like neither, like the people I'm watching, which is just Patrick Whelan. He is not even trading. He took one trade here, and then he took another trade here, and that's it. He's only taken two trades. He actually made more money than him. But we're seeing this break, and he's not trading it. Neither am I. Even though I could have gotten long here, could have gotten long here. Again, just waiting, being patient. You know, nobody caught this whole move except for maybe institutions. Maybe an institution caught this whole move. But I don't need to get it either. I'm pretty much just watching the market now. I think I'm gonna be off and just be back tomorrow. Like I said, I got a lot to do today, so I want to get my day started. But I do like to wait until like 10. Um, Here's another flag setup forming. Now we're seeing like good setups. When there's days that you don't see setups, don't take trades. Too. That's one of the things I learned, and I gotta be better about because I'm here to trade, so it's hard for me like not trading. But don't force setups. Another price action I kind of like to look for, and yeah. Anyways, it's all about taking it one day at a time too. So we're gonna end it there. 2 days profitable so far. We're up 4,000 total, and we'll see you tomorrow. I don't know why I've been ending it saying we. I don't know who we is. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm not gonna. I probably won't actually see you. There's actually like literally no one. I've never even had a live viewer before. Um, Need a better outro. For sure. I'll work on it. I'm working on a better outro. But yeah.